Hey guys, we're back in the shop today installing a set of IAG EZ-Lift Hood Struts on this 2021 Ford Bronco. This is a simple and easy way to give your vehicle some style while also getting rid of that pesky hood prop. Installation takes less than 30 minutes and can be done using simple hand tools. So let's take a look at what's inside the box and get started. The kit comes with 2 gas struts, as well as all the brackets and mounting hardware to do the job. The kits are also available in 2 different material options, including painted black steel and raw stainless. The tools needed to do the job are an 8, 10, and 12mm wrench, a set of angled needle nose pliers, 1/4-inch ratchet, and a 13mm socket. In a small percentage of Broncos, we've noticed an issue with the hood not being able to clear the front cowling. This happens especially in warmer weather or when the vehicle's been sitting out in the sun. If it's your first time opening the hood, be sure that the hood clears the front cowling, and we'll show you more about it once we get the hood up. The first step is to pop the hood. The clearance issue can be seen here. The upper portion of the cowling can become unclipped from the factory mounting, causing the plastic to lift up with the hood. That interference can cause damage to the cowling, the hood, or even the windshield. Here at IAG, we are aware of this issue and are currently working on a fast and easy solution, so be on the lookout for that in the near future. Starting on the driver's side, use your pliers to remove the harness tie located below the hood hinge. Next, remove the 13mm bolt located just in front of the harness tie. Removing this bolt can be time-consuming with your ratchet. We found it best to loosen the bolt with your tools, then use your fingers for removing the hardware entirely. Locate the driver's side mounting bracket. Place the bracket in the vehicle with the ball mount facing forward. Install the provided 10mm bolt through the harness tie hole and into the threaded portion of the new bracket. Do not tighten this bolt at this time. Reinstall the factory 13mm bolt through the bracket and back into the body. Once both bolts are installed, you can now go back and fully tighten both pieces of hardware. Locate the upper ball mount. With plenty of space between the large washer and the oval nut, insert the mount into the second large hole in the hood, approximately 8 inches from the top of the hood hinge. While applying tension to the washer, tighten the ball mount into the threaded oval. Pull the ball mount as far forward as possible, then tighten with your 8mm wrench. Loosen and remove the retaining clips from both sides of your driver's side gas strut. Attach the thicker end of the strut to the hood mount first, then install the retaining clip. Lift up on the hood to remove the OEM hood prop, then attach the other end of the strut to the body. Install the retaining clip onto the strut, then reattach the harness tie to the new bracket. For your safety, support the hood at this time with the OEM prop. Take this same procedure to the passenger side. Now would be a good time to mention that the strut kits for both the painted black steel and stainless steel are identical, with the exception of the ball-mounted hardware. The painted black steel kits require a 12mm wrench to tighten instead of the 8mm wrench mentioned earlier. With the upper end of the strut secure, lift up on the hood in order to attach and secure the lower ball mount to the passenger side strut. Finally, reattach the harness tie to the new mount. That completes the install of our IAG EZ-Lift Hood Struts on our new Bronco. For more installation videos and educational content just like this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.